नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ सवारा रिगपा का संग बुनियाद रखने के सिलसिले में लद्दाख के सबूथांग इलाके में एक तकरीब मुनक्किद की गई। मरकजी वजीर बराए आयुष, पोर्ट, शॉपिंग और वाटरवेज सरबरंद सोनेवाल, MOS आयुष, वुमेन एंड चाइल्ड डेवलपमेंट महेंद्र भाई मंजापारा और दीगर आला अफसरान भी इस प्रोग्राम में शामिल रहे। नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ सवारा रिगपा और अम्ब्रेसा फूड फार्म कंपनी उत्तराखंड के बीच एक MOU पर भी दस्तखत किए गए।
For the people of the country and also people of Ladakh, because of Honorable Prime Minister's blessing and support, now Ladakh will have an institution of National Institution of Sowa Rigpa. It will be one of the tallest institutions of the country and will promote the traditional practice of Sowa Rigpa, the traditional practice of medicine. So I believe in this institution all the facility will be installed like research, education and also developing herbal gardens. So I believe, and also having the collaborative research with some of the leading institution in the near future, and this particular institute will be promoted to the PG level, and whatever modern facility and technological incorporation need to be integrated, everything will be done, because Honorable Prime Minister has as a clear direction to us, to the Ministry of Ayush, that this practice, traditional practice of Sowa Rigpa should be promoted to the greatest extent, so that like in the near future, for the prevention of disease and preservation of human health can be kind of well protected out of the traditional practice of Sowa Rigpa, and whatever medicine will be produced out of this system, this will definitely help the human health to be preserved and also to be promoted in the near future. Government of Ladakh and also the local popular MP, Mr. Jameng. So he is a very energetic MP from this part of the country, and with the support of the local government and the local MPs and local development council. So now I think within a short span of time, whatever a time frame we have set to complete.